As we mentioned earlier in this course, you're going to want to try to figure out what your own function equation looks like. So how much money do you have to put in and how much do you make back on average on the outside? When it comes to scaling, we just want to test those assumptions. So I've mentioned before, like pop off a deal, take those funds and roll it back in. If I'm spending 2,000 and I'm making 8, so I'm left with 6. Well, if I take 6 and put it back in, I should get 6, 12. What is that? 6, 12. I should get 18 grand out on the back end in profit. That now can I take that 18 again, stick it in, and shoot out even more, and then kind of just snowball it. That was how I got started. That was how I bought my first several rentals. Took my profits, reinvested them. I didn't go buy a Rolex on my first deal or anything stupid. Take that cash, reinvest it, get more back out, and then I had enough money to go do a down payment on some duplexes that I partnered with a friend on. So that's kind of like what the roadmap looks here before you start to potentially explore like wholesaling deals yourself instead of doing the whole reverse deal or flipping or buy and hold or any of those other strategies.